Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this four pieces furniture set for your patio that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to kind of like show it to you on closer looks in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one, you're going to have a 42-inch wide kind of like love seat. This is perfect for two people, up to 300 pounds each one of the size. And those ones are going to be about 22, 23 wide. So again, it's gonna be perfect also for the 300 people. But these are rockers, so check it out. I'm gonna go right here, and you're gonna see that this one's they're really comfy, I have to say, and these are rockers, so that's kind of like cool to have a kind of like a conversational set, I want to say. So you have the love seat. You also have a tempered glass kind of like coffee table right here that you can adjust the legs and everything. Just make sure, one thing that I'm going to mention, the entire edge right here is made of metal. So if you're going to leave this one in the sun, the same thing applies for the chairs. This may be hot, so make sure that you just take that into account. But also another thing that I like coming inside here, kind of like a closer look, is that you're going to see right here that it has this really nice kind of like wooden access in the armrest. So that's going to be kind of like stylish. And then right here, this is going to be all this elastic mesh that is going to be waterproof. So you can actually come out of the pool if you want or something like that and just sit in here and the water is going to be dripping on the bottom. So bottom line, you have this love seat. Again, for two people, perfectly, with this really nice waterproof mesh. You have the tempered glass coffee table, and then you have these two different rockers, which I think is going to be really good to create that social space for in your patio, in your kind of like a roof or something like that. If you have a roof or something, that's going to be kind of like cool as well. Rockers, love seat, tempered glass coffee table. You have your next patio furniture set right here.